Welcome. Today we're going to walk through the steps to allow site notifications on Google Chrome for your PC, especially after the recent updates. Notifications can be a great way to stay informed about updates from your favorite websites, so let's dive right in. First, open your Google Chrome browser. If it's not already running, find the Chrome icon on your desktop or in your taskbar and give it a click. Once you have Chrome open, navigate to the site you want to receive notifications from. This could be any website that you frequently visit and want to stay updated on. For example, if you want notifications from a news site, type in their web address and hit enter. Now that you're on the desired website, look for the lock icon or information icon next to the web address in the address bar. Click on this icon to view site information. This action will bring up a small menu that shows you various permissions related to that site. Next, select Site Settings from this menu. This will open a new tab or window displaying all the permissions that the site has or needs. Here, you'll find several options related to how this site interacts with your browser. Scroll down until you see the section labeled Notifications. This is where you can manage whether or not this specific site can send you notifications. Finally, next to Notifications, you will see a drop-down menu. Click on it and select Allow. This will enable notifications from this site, ensuring that you receive alerts for updates, messages, or any important information they may share. And there you have it. You've successfully allowed site notifications for your chosen website in Google Chrome. Remember that these notifications can help keep you informed without having to constantly check back on the site. Thank you for following along. Now you're all set to enjoy timely updates right on your desktop. Happy browsing.